Real growth starts with how well you understand your customers. As expectations rise and businesses scale, staying connected and relevant becomes the challenge. Without a unified view, teams struggle to deliver consistent, meaningful experiences. This is where JustRelate CRM makes the difference. With a complete 360-degree customer view, every interaction is built on insight, helping you turn connections into lasting relationships. Create personalized experiences that truly resonate. With powerful marketing automation and real-time personalization, you reach the right audience at the right moment. Turn opportunities into revenue faster. With guided sales processes and full pipeline transparency, your teams close deals with confidence. Deliver service that builds loyalty. With efficient case management and a complete customer history, every interaction becomes a positive experience. And when you need more, JustRelate grows with you. With JustRelate Home, you can seamlessly combine CRM with powerful apps for marketing, email, web experiences, and sales, while integrating your existing systems into one connected ecosystem. So all your data, processes, and touchpoints work together across every system, every team, every interaction. Connect marketing, sales, and service across every touchpoint. Work smarter, faster, and with greater impact on one unified platform. Leverage AI to automate workflows, personalize at scale, and create content faster than ever. Trusted by leading companies in over 30 countries worldwide. JustRelate CRM. Build relationships that grow at scale.